Be rebellious. Who? There's no police here.
There's a police, the line. If we cross that, do it, bud. Don't do it.
Alright, fine, I won't do it.
Just do it.
Just do it! Alright, so let me read some history on this island.
Go ahead.
Right?
Yeah.
This island has been privately owned since 1711. Oh shoot, yeah. So 1711 until now, 2020. That is 310 years about. It was sold by Native Americans to the English settlers.
Did they sell it for $5?
I don't think so. But yeah, so it was recently bought by a trust, which is like probably just a group of people put money in together to buy the island, and they made it public. But there's still some part that is privately owned.
Really?
Yeah, like still some part that's privately owned. I think they're trying to get the rest of the island public, like purchased, but they need more money or something. So
What can we do to help?
huh?
What can we do to help?
Yeah, that's a horseshoe crab.
That thing got right.
Oh, another one there.
Oh my god, that thing got right. That's terrible.
Oh, what the hell? But yeah, so not much else to say. There's not many info other than that. It's just trails. You can go either way. Oh, that's a nice spot. Come on. Oh, I want a view of your butt.
No. That's gonna cost extra.
It's not bad.
No.
Hmm?
No.
No?
This is not the view.
No, this is the viewing thing on the map.
No, it's not.
It is.
No, it's on the other side.
No, it's on this side.
What? No?
Yeah, I looked it up.
I don't think so. I think the viewing platform is already.
Eh? So it's on that side.
We didn't. Yeah, it's on over there.
Right? I thought we were landing.
It.
No, we're on the wrong side then.
Yeah, that's why I said there's another landing over there. What?
I was thinking about the rest. I was like, damn, the rest don't hike. But it's okay.
It's not even that long. This is like mad short.
Yeah, it's probably like 20 minutes. Oh shit, what the hell? Look, another view.
Oh, another view. Okay. Let's go. Detour.
It's gonna detour all day.
Yeah, you can.
Damn,
This is definitely.
It's not a view.
Look at this.
This is it. This is it.
Didn't they say like bird watching stuff too on here? On this island? You hear it? Bird watching.
Yeah, those people that has like a book.
Yeah.
And they're like,
They're binoculars?
yeah. And then a camera in the back, binocular in the front, a book in their hand.
Camera wrapped up, binocular in the hand.
Oh.
Yeah, in the
Oh shit.
Come on.
Okay, sorry. Yo, I'm gonna do that for Halloween.
Do what?
That. What are you? I'm a bird watcher. Where did it go?
Nowhere.
This
A view,
lady,
viewing. A view, another viewing area.
You know, I thought it was gonna be like this, but that lady was like, "Oh yeah, it's really nice." I'm like, okay.
So she brought up your expectation.
Yeah, so I was like,
I don't think she has ever been here. It's ever been here.
because Momo, she was like, "Oh, just make sure you guys stay on this way." I was like, "What are you talking about? The Sipson is on the right of the bay."
Yeah.
Then I was talking to the wristwater.
Yeah.
I was like, "What do you mean? We have to be
dumb.
That's
we're
the
like
house.
halfway there."
Yeah, we're already halfway there from here to here. So it's not even that far up.
Yeah.
Wait, is this the privately owned land? No, right?
I think this- no, I think
Who you want house here?
It's a nice looking house.
You know how I was talking about?
Oh, that is the privately owned lot.
Yeah, must be.
Yeah, so we can't, no public access, see? So we can't go there, but people still walk through it. See the trail.
Oh yeah. That's probably for them.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, it's not bad right here.
Yeah, I was gonna say this one.
Yo, we came all the way from over there.
Yeah.
Mad far.
It's not bad.
Yeah, it wasn't bad.
Got a little tired, but wild.
Wait, didn't we just walk through here?
We'll walk the other side.
Wait, there's another house.
I guess. Oh, that first house is not private.
Oh.
But even though it says private, but on this it doesn't say it.
Yeah. Maybe
This one is the private one.
Maybe they just bought it, right?
Maybe.
They didn't put down the
There was not one house here.
No, yeah.
time.
Matt,
Imagine you have to go to the store.
only convenient. No power,
You can use
running water.
solar power.
Oh, okay.
Is that the viewing
This must be
area? What does it say? Danger. It says danger.
I love that.
Oh, you love danger?
Yeah.
Danger. Keep bank unstable bluff. What the heck?
Bank, keep back.
Oh,
right.
keep
yeah.
back.
Oh shit, people must have fell.
No, I think they
People
just do it
must
just to
die
be
here.
safety.
Yeah.
Then the water is clear. Look, you can see the bottom for like a while.
Not bad. We're almost to the viewing, I think.
Yeah. Saw how big that was, dude?
You know, I thought one was being obnoxious.
No, that was mad big.
What is this guy doing? Mad loud. And they're gonna close this island again.
For real?
For the view.
Oh,
Oh, there we go.
Just keep going straight.
just keep going, keep walking.
Big kid boy will want to swim.
Why not?
It's, I
What?
don't want to feel dirty.
We're already feeling dirty.
No, I feel mine good.
Oh, for real?
I'm gonna get one of these shirts.
Yeah, same thing.
Yeah, I was gonna say.
Where's the viewing point?
What is it?
Oh, right here, the wheel platform.
Oh.
That's definitely it, right?
You definitely
Oh, they don't let you go up though.
Let's be disappointed.
Closed for repair. Cause someone broke that. Right there.
I don't see anybody repairing it.
You didn't give them any money to repair it.
To be closed.
And yeah, the water is pretty clear.
Yeah. I think the hike isn't it.
What do you mean, isn't it?
Like
You need to go to the other side.
yeah.
Yeah, we can walk around.
What's the other side? See
Oh,
what's
yeah.
there.
Be rebellious. Who? There's no police here.
There's a police, the line. If we cross
Alright.
that, do it, bud. Do it.
Alright, fine, I won't do it.
Just do it.
Just do it!
Just do it.
Alright, I'm gonna do it.
30 seconds.
30 seconds. 1 second. 2 seconds. 3 seconds. 4 seconds.
You gotta do it for YouTube.
Damn, it's nice. It's nice over there. Like that side is nice.
Alright, we'll go that way.
You should do 360 here, Viso. Like one picture. It'll be nice.
I'll just take a video instead.
Oh yeah.
Because I
you
can
do
just
that.
do a photo after.
Come on, David. Be a rebel. Oh,
Like,
You guys are not doing it.
alright. Okay, maybe that's why they shut it down. Cause people like the red.
I like how. Come on, Doris.
Come on, gymnastic.
What the hell?
Oh, this must be the end.
So the private part is the nice part,
Mhm.
maybe.
Yeah, this side is nice.
This must be the other van right
Mhm. No, this is the motorized one,
Oh.
and that's the non-motorized.
No, this is non-motorized.
Yeah, motorized.
This is non-motorized.
Motorized, non-motorized.
How we
Yeah.
get down there?
Huh? That's non-motorized.
Yeah, how we gonna get down there?
We have to ride around.
Yeah.
We'll ride around.